How to check how many GB your iPhone has. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, go to General as shown. From here, you can manage your overall setup and preferences for iPhone, such as software updates, device language, CarPlay, AirDrop, and more. Then, tap on About. This section provides details about your device, including the iOS version, model name, model and serial number, and more. You can also view the total number of songs, videos, photos, applications on your phone as well as the total and availability capacity. As you can see, you can now check the total capacity or GB your phone has. Following these steps, you can easily check how many GB your iPhone has. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.